Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and I'm excited to bring you the latest developments in the exciting world of crypto and blockchain. We have a lot to catch up on this week, so let's dive right into it. Our Discord community has now hit 3,814 members. This thriving hub is where technology enthusiasts of all levels gather to exchange ideas and insights. Over on social media, we recently highlighted how our groups feature can revolutionize your IPFS storage organization. This tool allows you to organize, store, and rapidly retrieve your app's content directly within a group, streamlining your workflow dramatically. This week's spotlight is on Beedler Labs. Beedler Labs is where blockchain-powered solutions are crafted with precision and innovation. Beedler Labs excels in developing and scaling products that harness the power of blockchain technology. They work closely with clients to transform strategic visions into scalable realities, offering tailored services from concept development to engineering. Their commitment is not just to build MVPs, but to engineer solutions that grow with your project. Coming up next weekend, March 29th and 30th, join the Pinata team at the Midwest Blockathon at the University of Kansas. Sponsored by Pinata, this 20-hour hackathon will bring together over 200 participants from around the region. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone interested in Web3 development to learn from experts, compete for prizes, and immerse themselves in blockchain technology. Let's dive into our new V3 Pinata API. We realized our API had grown complex over time, straying from our original vision of simplicity. That's why we went back to the drawing board, redesigning it to ensure it remains user-friendly while incorporating the powerful features you need. The new API, rebuilt in Go, not only simplifies integration, but also enhances performance across the board. We're excited to roll out continuous improvements, focusing on features like enhanced upload capabilities, including folder uploads. That wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting updates from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.